छह गोस्वामी में विशेष करके जो है,
among all the six Goswamis, Rupa Goswami is very very special. You all heard about it also from morning till now.
अपने विभिन्न
From different speakers, you heard the glories of Rupa Goswami Pad, the glories of Rupa Goswami Pad and Katha you are hearing.
बहुत सुंदर
Very beautiful.
विचार विशिष्ट हमारे आचार्य पाद ने दिखाया।
Our acharyas have explained.
गौड़ीय वैष्णव लोग
Gaudiya Vaishnavas,
रूपानुग वैष्णव कहा करके अपने को गौरव
they
अनुभव
feel proud and pride in themselves that they are in the line of Rupa Goswami Pad. Rupanuga towards Rupa Goswami Pad. Why do we have so much love and affection with Rupa Goswami Pad? Our acharyas, they have explained this thing.
जिससे क्योंकि
Because Rupa Goswami Pad,
महाप्रभु के जो है
he is
समस्त प्रकार के इच्छा
fulfilling all the desires of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
मनोविष्टम
Sri Chaitanya Manavishtam,
स्थापितं जनों
Tapitam Jana Bhutale,
स्वयं रूप पदामज्जं
Rupa Kadamajjam,
ददाति स
Tadati Sapadantikam.
श्रीरत्न दास
Narottam Das Thakur,
रूप गोस्वामी पाद के चरण कमल में वंदना करती है।
glorifying to Rupa Goswami Pad, and he chanted this mantra.
चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं
Sri Chaitanya Manavishtam, Tapitam Jana Bhutale.
महाप्रभु के सारे इच्छाओं को
He fulfilled all the desires of Mahaprabhu.
जगत में
He manifested moons in this world.
तम जो इच्छा क्या
The supreme desire of Mahaprabhu, what was it?
गोस्वामी पाद
That Rupa Goswami Pad he fulfilled.
विशेष करके
Especially
महाप्रभु की जो भावना जो है,
the mood of Mahaprabhu,
सर्वोत्तम जो महाप्रभु के विचार
the special
जगत में
highest quality mood,
अव्यक्त भाव को
establishing the beauty of paramount mood in this world.
ये
He
महाप्रभु
did that.
की
This
विशेष
is the
वैशिष्ट्य है।
speciality of
और विशेष
Mahaprabhu.
करके मंजरियों
And
भाव
especially
की पराकाष्ठा जो है
The special mood of Manjaris,
उसके जगत में प्रकाशित कर
he established that in this world also. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
आविर्भाव व प्रकट होने के पहले
before his
अनेकों
appearance,
जो है वैष्णव
there were many poets, Vaishnavas, they were there, like Vidyapati, Chandidas,
जयदेव आदि
Jayadev,
ऐसे से महान विद्वान
and big high class qualified.
आचार्य भी कोई कम नहीं थे।
Not less, there were so many high class exalted saints.
वैष्णव पदावली आदि
They are Vaishnav.
पता चलता है
It was so
कि
beautiful.
कैसे कैसे रसमाधुर्य उन लोगों ने
Beautiful.
प्रकट किया।
Moods they manifest.
जैसे मैंने आज
Just I explained
प्रातः काल में
early in the morning.
राधा दामोदर मंदिर में
Radha Damodar.
थोड़ा सा मैंने
Little
एक
bit I
गीत गाया था
explained. Indirectly I explained.
कि किस प्रकार चैतन्य विद्यापति चंद्रदास आदि ऐसे ऐसे महान कवि हुए,
Big poets
किंतु सभी ने सखी भावों के जो है भावों को प्रकट किया।
explained the mood of
ललिता विशाखा आदि ऐसे सखियों के भावों को प्रकट किया। क्योंकि हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं
seeing this.
जो राधा जी की सखियों की जब विचार विवेचन हम करते हैं
Think about
और
Radha Sakis.
गोस्वामी के ग्रंथ अध्ययन करते हैं
When we hear about
तब पता लगता है
we find out
ये राधा जी के 5 प्रकार के
there
सखियों
are
के बारे में
5 types of the
बताया।
Sakis
एक है
of Srimati
सखी,
Radhika. One is
एक है
Sakhi,
नित्य सखी,
नित्य सखी,
एक है प्राण सखी
सखी,
और एक है पृष्ठ सखी और प्राण पृष्ठ सखी।
and Prana Prishta Sakhi.
ये ललिता विशाखा आदि इन लोग के कहा जाता है प्राण पृष्ठ सखी कहा जाता है।
Called Prana Prishta Sakhi.
ललिता अष्ट सखी जो है ललिता विशाखा
Lalita Vishaka, Sadevi, Rangadevi, Chunk, Baklata, all these Sakhis are not ordinary.
करीब करीब राधा जी के भावों की समतुल्य कहा जाता है।
They are closer to the mood of Srimati Radhika. They're very high class moods there.
ललिता के लिए तो हमारे लोगों को साईं
Lalita,
इतनी सुंदर
for Lalita Sakhi, beautiful explanation is coming. Jankamapi, Brajakule, Ursha Bhanujaya.
यदि कोई ब्रज में
If in the Braj,
कोई भी व्यक्ति इतना ही मन में विचार
even if someone think little bit that I want to become the, what do you want to become? Maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Just Lalita Devi hears this in her ear, and Lalita Devi simultaneously she grab and put them in the service of Srimati Radhika. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is doing kirtan, Palya Dasi Kari.
ललिता सुंदरी हमारे लोहिया कबे श्री राधिका पौधे काले मिलाई रे आकाशे बासामर पिबे आकाशे बासामर पिबे आकाशे बासामर पिबे हमारे लोहिया कबे। बोले ललिता देवी की ऐसे सुंदर महिमा है।
Very beautiful katha of Lalita Devi.
ललिता देवी
Lekin until Lalita Devi
की शिक्षा भी
herself, she is teaching all the things. Even she is giving teaching to Srimati Radhika.
कृष्ण के साथ मिलने
One time when Srimati Radhika is going to meet Krishna,
कैसे मिलने के लिए
how is she going? What is the plan? Lalita Devi, she makes plan
शिक्षा देती है इस प्रकार
that how to go, how to do these things. Vidyapati, Chandidas, all these beautiful kirtan also coming like this. Lalita Devi, she is teaching to Srimati Radhika, oh Radhe, you are the queen of Vrindavan, but at the night, how will you go? Others will see you, catch you. For this regard,
आंगन में जो है
how will you go? Your feet are very soft. So she throws in some water in the ground in the garden of their house, and then she puts some stones there and teaches Srimati Radhika how to walk. Such beautiful Pranaprishta Sakhi Lalita, all our previous acharyas, they have explained all this very beautiful moods. Bengali Kirtan, very beautiful. This is in the university, it is being taught. Very beautiful moods there are. But look, Vidyapati, Vaishnav Padavali, our Vaishnav poems are very high class, exalted. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, through Rupa Goswami Pad, manifested the moods. They are unique and unparalleled. Especially the mood of Manjaris. What are the moods? For this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also himself, he gave power potency to the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad, and he manifested all his beautiful, sweet, transcendental moods. Even this is coming furthermore that if Rupa Goswami Pad had not appeared, then if in this age of Kali Yuga, if Shri Rupa Goswami Pad had not appeared, then these beautiful moods, how would we have heard? People, they don't even know. People have doubts. What is Vedi Bhakti? What is Raga Bhakti? Gaudiya, those who associate with Gaudiya Vaishnavas, then and especially they study the scriptures of by Goswamis, they know that many don't know that what is Raga Bhakti, Vedi Bhakti, and how to enter. We start from Vedi Bhakti and how to enter Raga Bhakti. No one knows. Like very few know, but Rupa Goswami Pad, by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, we manifested these beautiful scriptures with the Madhav, Lalita Madhav, Utkallika Vallari, Ujjvala Neelamani. All these beautiful, high-class, exalted scriptures were manifested by him. All these scriptures, the more and more we read, the more and more we learn, the more and more we enter in the depth of the mood of Braj. But ordinary people, they think, just chant holy names. But just Mahaprabhu said, no need to do anything else. In Kali Yuga, in Kali Yuga, what you have to do? Just chant holy names. But what is the process of chanting holy names? What should be our thoughts? What should be our thought process while chanting the holy names? This is the thing. Everybody chants holy names, but while chanting the holy names, how do we attain the mood? The more and more we associate, do good association. and you do high class association, and then slowly
ऐसे भाव जो भाव में तो प्रवेश करते
beautiful sweet moods will manifest in your
हैं।
heart
और
also.
विशेष करके जो है
And
रस
especially
में प्रवेश करना।
to enter Rasa Madhurya is so
क्योंकि
hard.
महाप्रभु के पहले सभी
Because
लोग ने जो है
before Mahaprabhu,
और भक्ति रस की जो है एक ही समझ लेते थे।
everyone was thinking bhakti and the rasa of bhakti is the same. But actually, Rupa Goswami Pad, by the mercy of Mahaprabhu, he differentiated a beautiful explanation, definition of bhakti and bhakti rasa. What is bhakti? And what is the rasa of bhakti? And what is that rasa? And how to taste that divine mellows also, he explaining.
जिस प्रकार उदाहरण
This explanation is coming that look,
जब शेप बनाना है क्या
someone wants to make a shape,
मैंगो से
mango shake,
जूस बनाना है
like juice,
आम भी आपको
juice
दे
like
दिए।
mango shake, like someone gives you mango.
तो आम
Then,
के साथ कितने परिमाण
with the mango,
मिलाना इसके बारे में यदि ज्ञान नहीं हो
if you don't know what to mix in the mango shake, then
शरबत बनाना है
if someone wants
पानी
to
भी आ
make
गया
coke,
चीनी भी आ गया
you have the sugar, you have all the ingredients,
नमक भी है कपूर भी आ
you
गया
have camphor, salt, everything,
नींबू भी आ गया
lemon also, milk also,
काली मिर्च
shake
भी आ
also.
गया किंतु उसके proportion के बारे में हम
You have black pepper also, but you don't have the proportion, like how much things you have to mix together in how much things. If you don't know these things, then
यदि ये समस्या हम
if
नहीं
you see these things, if you don't know, then
शरबत
how can we make?
बनानी पाएंगे
How can we make proper? No.
स्वादिष्ट भी
And even if we make, then it will not be nice. In the same way, one is bhakti, another is bhakti rasa.
भक्ति के बारे में तो शास्त्र में बड़ा
In all scriptures, it is written about bhakti. In Sadalya Puran, many scriptures, everywhere this is explained. But Sahapurana Bhakti, Vishwarati Bhakti,
भगवान के प्रति
towards God,
परा आसक्ति भक्ति का
the definition of bhakti is the deep attachment towards Lord.
सेवनम भक्ति उच्चते भक्ति की भी डेफिनेशन की है
Definition of bhakti also coming like this.
किंतु हमारे रूप गोस्वामी
But Rupa Goswami Pad
भक्ति की जो है और मॉडिफिकेशन
modifying this bhakti
और
also.
अपने सुंदर स्वादिष्ट करते
Very beautiful, he explained. It's unique and unparalleled.
क्या भक्ति के बारे में क्या
What he told about bhakti? What's the definition?
अन्ना
Annanabha abhlashita shunyam.
ज्ञान कर्मतन भृतम अनुकूलेन कृष्णानुशीलनम भक्तिर उत्तमः उत्तम भक्ति कितने
Uttama bhakti, so unique and unparalleled. And even further, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, very beautiful, explained it deeply. Each word, Anna Abhilashita, each letter they explain. Jnana Karmadana Vritam, Anukulena Krishna Nishinilam. On this, each word they are describing and thinking, explaining in detail. Very detailed definition, like very beautiful Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu. Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu. Beautiful commentary. The commentary of Jiva Goswami Pad. Very beautiful explanation, unique and unparalleled. Bhakti dosh, abhyakti dosh.
Over-extension rule,
Under extension rule, each and every definition is coming. Anna, Vilashita, Anna, Vilas. Each letter, like if you add like each one letter to another thing, the meaning change. Everything they have explained. Before, no one else showed like this. This is the special mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that was given to Rupa Goswami Pad, and that same Rupa Goswami Pad. And whatever the moods Rupa Goswami Pad received from Mahaprabhu, same moods he manifested into Jiva Goswami Pad, and also Raghunath Das Goswami as well. And then all they manifest so beautiful scriptures. Bhakti, Rasa. About that explanation is also coming like this.
चार प्रकार के सामग्री में जो रस
There are ingredients. Vibhavanubhav, Sattvic, Vyabhichari, 4 ingredients, and then along with more further breakdown, very beautiful, everything they are explaining with examples. One is Bhakti, one is Bhakti Ras, then is Aswadan, then we know, okay, but how will you taste this? How do you relish the divine malus? The time is almost up now, the Aarti time has come. If I explain one word, it takes too much time. You have the very beautiful juice or shake, but how to drink? Who will taste? You need taste buds to taste in the tongue. See, just like give you example. The lotus, it is blooming where? It is growing from the mud. Mud is the source of the birth of lotus. The mud, soil. It's like dirty soil, dirty mud. And then the beautiful lotus coming. It's passing, piercing through the water, all the dirt, and it's floating beautifully. Very beautiful. Look at that. In there, there are very beautiful kind of jivas there. Who is there? Frog, you know? It's there or not? The frog, the beauty or the nectar of the flower lotus, does the frog relish it? No. The frog, what is the frog doing? It jumps over it. It sits on the lotus and it pollutes it, contaminates it. It contaminates it. Why? Because the frog does not have the potency, power to relish the beauty of lotus. So it contaminates and jumps back into the water again. But look, in that same lotus, the fragrance, nectar of that lotus, the black bees, they are coming and relishing those beautiful moods, and then so beautiful mood. Just I'm telling this because like it's very, very special to how to relish the divine mellows. Just I explain. Like you make beautiful shake or juice, like you put sugar and then you put little bit camphor, everything you put perfectly in right quantity. But what I'm explaining, trying to explain that Rupa Goswami Pada explained all the ingredients of the Bhakti Rasa. This beautiful, considered like a beautiful Bhakti shake that you have to drink. So there all the ingredients have to be put there. How many ingredients are there? All the ingredients you must know. How many ingredients are there? Who knows? Anyone pick up one line. 49. 49 ingredients. It's called Unanchas in Hindi. 49 ingredients. Then it happened. But one is Taiba, fixed mood. Then 8 kind of Ashtasattvic Vikar, 8 symptoms. How many now? 9. Okay? And then there are 7 types of secondary rasas. 7. Like fighting rasa, laughing rasa, like this kind of. There are now total 16 and the 33 are the Vyabhichari moods. When all these combine, total 49, then the relishment of the divine mellow is coming. How many? 1 sthai bhav, okay? The fixed mood, first one. And the 7 secondary rasas, Gauna ras, like Hasya, Bodhkarun, Veer ras, these kind of ras. Total 8 now. And then, so 8 and 8 symptoms, Sattvic Vikar, then 16 and then 33. I don't know anything, do calculate. So 49 total. And there is even further explanation. Later in the evening, we will all listen from Vaishnavas. Very beautiful explanation is there. All these ingredients you have, okay. But how will you make? So for this regarding Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said, Bhuvi Bhavuka
रसिका भूमि भावुक,
Rasika bhuvi bhavaka.
सब लोग आसन थोड़ी करता है।
Everyone cannot taste it. Just I told frog cannot taste, right? Nigama kalpataru galita phalam shukam mukhad.
पीवत भागवत रसमालय मुहुः रहो रसिका और रसिक भावुक जन जो इस बात को।
Those who are rasik, only they can relish it. Not anyone, not everyone.
के पास हमने पहले
We are here. First we have
और फिर वो गोसाई पाद के पास
and then
आकर के ये मतलब इंग्रेडिएंट्स आदि लेकर के
take all the ingredients, mix all of them in proper quantity. Then we have to go to whom? We have to go to Raghunath Das Goswami.
तात्पर्य क्या है? रूप गोसाई पाद के सारे ग्रंथ को हम अध्ययन
Meaning,
करें।
we study all the
भक्ति
scriptures,
रसामृत,
Bhakti Rasamrit, Sindhu, Ujjwal, Neelamani,
विदग्ध माधव,
Vidagdha Madhav,
ललित
Lalita Madhav,
ये सब ग्रंथ आदि
all these
अध्ययन
scriptures
करें।
we have to study
इंग्रेडिएंट्स का हम संग्रह
and
करके
collect all the ingredients,
और
mix
उसके
to them.
आस्वादन करने के
Then
लिए
to taste,
किसके पास
we
जाना
have to
पड़ेगा?
go to whom?
रघुनाथ
रघुनाथ
रूप रघुनाथ पदे रोहु दास
Raghunath Pade. I only hope
करे
to get
सदा
his feet on the road at Raghunath.
वरुणोत्तम दास।
This is the prayer of Raghunath Das Thakur.
रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी
So Raghunath Das Goswami is teaching this to us, that how to mix all the beautiful ingredients, then
आस्वादन
to taste.
है। आस्वादन तो करना पड़ेगा।
You have to taste also. What will you do with all the ingredients? Will you just make a shake or a juice for yourself?
आस्वादन करना पड़ेगा।
No, you have to
उसके
drink
आस्वादन
it.
के लिए ये
To drink
विचार
all these things.
और ऐसे
And
रसिक वैष्णव
especially the Rasik
संलोभी
Vaishnava
भक्त करें।
association.
जिससे हमारे रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी
रघुनाथ
कह रहे
गोस्वामी से-
अनारद्ध राधा पदाम्बुजरेणु अनाश्रित वृंदा अटवी तत्पदांकम् असंभास तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तम् उत श्याम सिंधु रससावगाह। प्रतिकरण कर रहे हैं ये मेरा श्लोक नहीं है। रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी की क्या कर रहे हैं? यदि जिन लोग ने राधा जी के चरण कमल के आश्रय नहीं
Those who
किया,
don't take shelter of lotus feet.
राधा जी के पहले 3 यहाँ पर
See, before
नियम हमें बताए।
three rules are needed.
यदि किसी के यदि श्रृंगार रस में सर्वोत्तम माधुर्य रस में
Rasa.
प्रवेश करना है, उसके आस्वादन करना है, केवल 3 नियम का पालन करो।
Three rules
कितने नियम?
we follow.
3 नियम।
Three.
पहले नियम क्या है?
First one is
राधा जी के चरण कमल में एकांत की निष्ठा होनी चाहिए।
must have the one pointed faith towards
इसलिए
the
गोविंद
Krishna
लीलामृत
Radhika.
ग्रंथ में भी इसमें कह रहे हैं कृष्णदास कविराज जी वर्णन
Krishnadas
कर रहे
Kaviraj is
हैं
saying,
ये ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े बड़े देवताओं के लिए
Brahma
जो
will be demigods.
दुष्प्राप्य जो वस्तु जो है हम उसको कैसे
Even they cannot attain
उस
this thing.
के लिए ही
For that, the solution is coming. Just I tell.
देखो राधा जी के
So,
चरण कमल की एकांत
you need one pointed faith in the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika.
दूसरी क्या है?
Second is
वृंदावन में
in Vrindavan. You have to reside in Vrindavan.
में कहाँ बस करें? कहाँ रहे? बोले राधा आदि पत्तम
You reside in Vrindavan.
राधा आधिपत्य
Places that are dominated by Srimati Radhika. You cannot stay in Vrindavan everywhere, huh? So you have to go to Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, this shlok. In Vrindavan, you are there.
कहाँ पे मिलेगा? स्वामी नहीं बना गया।
See, you all stay in Vrindavan, just I come once in 6 months. Okay, anyways. Radha Adipattam Vrindavanam.
राधा आधिपत्य वृंदावन
और राधा आदिपत्य वृंदावन वासम ममस्तु में.
राधा जी के जो आधिपत्य जो वृंदावन
Adipatya Vrindavan Dham.
उस स्थान पर आपको रहना है।
There you have to stay, not everywhere.
राधा जी के आधिपत्य वृंदावन स्थान कौन सा है? बस सर्वत्र ही है।
See, the whole Vrindavan is with Radharani is no. If you go to the place of Chandravali, big problem. Then Srimati Radhika, she will delete your name. So, Sakhi Stali, if you go there, even by mistake, if you go,
अच्छा भाई मिस्टेक चले गए।
even by mistake,
फिर आपका
Then-
नाम क्या होगा?
your name will be
ऋष से
like you will be
भाई ध्यान
rusticated.
से कभी वास में, कभी
हाँ.
वास में, ना
So, so he said, Tavai Vasmiti Vidyayate Radhe Tavnayami Charanantike.
देखो कितने सुंदर सुंदर
Very beautiful moods coming, huh?
निज गणे हाँ निज गणे गणानाम विदे
Grijgane Vananam Gandharvi ke Nijagane
हाँ देवी
Devi Kaku Bharagal Yadavacha.
चाचे विपत्ति भूमि दंड वधु भुटाटी अश्व प्रसाद प्रसादम हमदस्य धनस्य कृपा गांधर्वी के
निज गणे गणनाम विदेहि.
ये समस्त भावों के
All these beautiful moods you have to understand. Nija Gan.
लिस्ट में मेरे नाम.
Please add my name in your lowest and lowest of your servant. Just you write once in your register.
भाई मिस्टेक कहाँ चलेगे?
But by mistake, if you go to the Sakistali, the place of Chandravali, then your name will be deleted. You will be restricted.
में एक बार बैठ गए और फेल हो गया तो निकाल दो.
Like for example, if you fail an exam, then you fail. Just like example.
बहुत सुंदर एक इसलिए कह रहे हैं.
So very beautiful this is coming.
राधा जी के चरण प्राप्ति करने के, राधन की सेवा प्राप्ति करने के
To attain the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika,
क्या कर रहे हैं?
it is saying coming, Radha Adipatta Vrindavanam Vasam Mastu Me.
राधा जी के
Srimati Radhika, dominated places of Srimati Radhika, we have to speak there. What are they?
बोले राधा कुंड.
Radha Kund, the supreme, the topmost place in Vraja. Other places, Jatila, Kutila, Chandravali, they are causing disturbance. Like they are coming, Surapund, Chandravali is coming there, Jatila, Kutila coming there. Even Govardhan, Chandravali also coming there. But Radha Kund is a very divine transcendental place. By Yoga Maya, it is dominated. Only the close people of Srimati Radhika, they are coming.
सुनिए, मुझे बोलते माइक दे दे क्या करें? राधा जी के गान केवल राधा जी के गान.
Only the close people of Srimati Radhika can enter there. Such a beautiful arrangement in Radha Kund. Not everyone can enter there. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad is explaining. Very beautiful explanation coming, starting from Vachovegam. But he took the whole conversation to Radha Kund, a very, very high class, exalted. That is the supreme goal, supreme place. So reside in Radha Kund. That is the best place. And the third rule, the first rule I told, I need to have 1.5 faith in lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Second I told I have to reside in Vrindavan. Brihad Vrindavan, this is second. One is the Panchakoshi Vrindavan, this Vrindavan that we see, like 5 miles. And Radha Kund Nandagaon whole, this is the huge Vrindavan, Brihad Vrindavan. And third rule, you have to associate with high class, exalted, Rasik Vaishnavas. Anaradya Radha Padambujareno, this slok is coming. Very beautiful Sant Mahatma, in their heart there is very full Rasa Madhurya is there. Sant Mahatma Association, you have to sit and Rasa Madhurya Katha have to discuss and listen. Then maybe there is no other way at all. This is my end point. Think about this. Just stand here. Today is the Rupa Goswami Pad, very beautiful separation day. Appearance, disappearance, same day. Appearance and disappearance is just the difference actually. Whether you say appearance or disappearance, both are revered for us. Because we remember to him, we discuss about his katha, many things, nothing else. And what are his teachings, what he gave to us, and how he fulfilled the desire of Mahaprabhu. This we have to think, we have to understand, and when we understand these moods, then one day definitely we will attain the moods. Just like a snake, it gives up the skin and it gives that up and it goes in the same way. Thinking and remembering these pastimes, we will also leave and go there. Rupa Goswami Pad Lok, this beautiful slok, very beautiful slok. Vivida Kushma Bande, Dambila Kati. Radhika Archami. This is beautiful slok written by Rupa Goswami Pad. Before him, no one wrote such a high class slok. A very beautiful scripture this is. In that, Rupa Goswami Pad is writing bhajan is doing in Ter Kadam, where Gurudev told that when Rupa Goswami Pad was writing scriptures, when he was writing scriptures about meeting pastime, then at that time, even the dry trees, they become to life. The leaves grow instantly, and then flowers growing automatically. And Rupa Goswami Pad, when he's writing separation mood shlokas, then all the leaves automatically become dry and fall down. Such ecstatic moods. Rupa Goswami Pad in Ter Kadam, he was sitting on that and writing these beautiful pastimes. Vivita Pushma Brindai Dambilidhari Vigidapati Keki Vishrantim. Beautiful explanation of Srimati Radhika is coming like this. Vivita Pushma Brindai Dambilidhari. The hairs of Srimati Radhika. Previous speaker told, right? Or not? Very beautiful hairs of Srimati Radhika. All these beautiful shlokas come back. Rupa Goswami Pad is saying Vivida Kushma Brindai Tambila Ghati. What the meaning is that? Rupa Manjari speak the beautiful flowers, and it is decorating. She is decorating the beautiful hair of Srimati Radhika with flowers. So the hairs of Srimati Radhika, they are like a beautiful black cloud, and they are going under her knees so long. When Srimati Radhika walks, if you look from the back, it will look like a huge cloud is moving if you look from the back. Very beautiful curly hairs she has, and with that she is decorating with the flowers a peacock. A peacock is making sound, spreading its wings, and when Krishna is attracted by the peacock feather he is putting in his head, and that same peacock is thinking, oh wow, such beautiful are the hairs of Srimati Radhika, and the peacock feels shame and Dambilagati. And then Rupa Goswami Pad explaining another beautiful pastime, that what Rupa Manjari, very beautiful. You make a beautiful betel nut leaf, and the pan is getting into Srimati Radhika, and Srimati Radhika gave to Krishna, and Krishna is about to eat. When Krishna is taking the bite of the pan, the lips became red, and Srimati Radhika is looking like, what is this redness? What is this? Srimati Radhika, see the difference between the thought of Srimati Radhika and Krishna. Srimati Radhika is thinking, what is this redness? This is not redness. This is the symbol of his deep attachment towards me. This is deep attachment towards Paranusneha Anubandanam and Darshane Atriptata. With this moon, Srimati Radhika is saying, towards me so much anurag is there, but Krishna, what is Krishna is thinking? Srimati Radhika is looking at my lips, meaning she wants to taste the remnants. Then Krishna, his remnants of that betel leaf, pan, he took out some and gave to Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika, causeless anger came. This causeless anger is very special. There are many kinds of divine anger moods of Srimati Radhika. The man, she said, no one is interested in your remnants. Then Krishna, he embraced Srimati Radhika, and right here on the cheek, Krishna, he kissed Srimati Radhika, and beautiful lips were imprinted on the cheek of Srimati Radhika. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying this, Kamal Manjari. He is saying this, Yamuna Puli mein. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, I will not go to my house, just I will go to the assembly of Sakhis and I will sing this Katha.